Alright, hey guys, I got this 2012 Lexus RX350. I'm gonna replace the rear shocks and show you how to do it. It should be really quick. I know, taking the wheels off, jacking the car up, all that takes time, but the rear shocks are like 10 minutes. So let me show you how it's done. We'll go over to the location just to give you a quick rundown of it. So we're gonna jack up the car. We're gonna take the rear wheels off, the rear wheel off. You can't see from here, but the spring is in the back, the shock is in the front. It's not a strut like the front. So you can just unbolt the rear shock, drop it out, put the new one in, tighten everything, put the wheel back on, lower the car, and you're basically good to go. So that's about it. Let me get to it. Hope this video helps. First thing we want to do is jack up the car and support it with a jack stand. This is what it looks like with the wheel removed. That single top bolt is what we're going to loosen. This uses a captive nut on the back side, so you're just loosening the bolt. This is the bottom mount. We'll loosen the bolt nut combo. After removing the nut, you can remove the bolt and the shock just falls out. And the shock just falls out. Now we're going to put the new one in. The old one's a Kayaba, and the new one is just a generic purchased off eBay. So I hope I have good luck with it. I'm going to leave all that strapping on, slide it in place, insert the bolt. The top bolt is the shorter of the two bolts. And then when I'm ready, I can cut the straps and it'll expand, hopefully allowing me to align it with the bottom hole. Hopefully extends into place. Get the bolt. Try to get this aligned. Now I can position the bottom of the shock and push in the bolt. There we go. Now I just need to tighten this bolt and the bolt and nut combo on the bottom. And the new shock is installed, and that's it. Use my impact with a wrench on the nut side. Don't forget to tighten the top side. Now we reinstall the rear wheel. Remove the jack stands and the jack, lower the car, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.